y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be trying the Indian healing clay mask, Aztec clay mask. Now I'm late, but I think it's time to officially try this out.
Princess, my angel, you're my love, you're the one.
First things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
I'm my old-time subbies, the congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang. Welcome back for another video. Alright, so this is nothing new. Like, we've seen this around for years, actually. And I just never tried it. I just never did it.
You so stupid!
And I know a lot of you guys have asked me over the years to try this. I got my information from naturallycurly.com. I'm not going to be putting in all the extra oils and stuff like that. I just really want to get the benefits of the clay alone with the apple cider vinegar. So according to naturallycurly.com, this DIY clay mask is supposed to hydrate, moisturize, defrizz, soften, banish dryness while encouraging curl clumping and shine. You know, it's also good for your scalp and sebum. Okay, so I've already mixed my clay in just like a little rinky-dink bowl that my daughter uses to make slime. So anyway, so I have an old towel that I use when I do my hair dye and stuff, ready to go. I don't care about this shirt. I care about this necklace though. Alright, so my hair is freshly washed and all that good stuff. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it and see, you know, what everybody's been talking about for all these years and stuff. So I'm taking my three row finger.
What?
I'm taking this comb, which I have in a video where I was trying to figure out what's a good detangling tool. I am breaking this out, no particular reason, it was just nearby. Well, I guess that's the reason, but you know. So we're taking the clay mask. All right, we got that up and through. All right. Okay, I hope this is the right consistency. This video is not a tutorial. Do you rub it in your hands? I should have watched the video. Oh, this is real clayey. So I mean, for anybody who hasn't done this like myself, very clay-like, but I've just heard so many good things about it reviving your hair and all that good stuff. So we're gonna thank the Lord on today. So I'm not gonna rub it in my hands. And just go ahead and apply it down the hair shaft. Are you supposed to comb this through? So I know sometimes it's hard to tell on camera how wet my hair is, I guess, for some people. So just know that my hair is in between damp and wet. I read not to do it on soaking wet hair, so we're just trying to follow instructions, okay? So I'm gonna spray this section down. into a plastic cap. Oh, all right, so we have it up into a plastic cap. That's really, I mean, I don't know what I expected because it's clay, you know. So we can wait 20-30 minutes. I use the entire bowl. Ooh. Fresh out the shower. I can't really call it. I can't, like, okay, I will say my hair doesn't feel bad, so I guess that's a good thing. It kind of feels like I did like a hot oil treatment. Unless you did a hot oil treatment, you wouldn't know what I mean, but it feels very, feels like I have like a light oil on top of it. I feel like I really had to rinse my hair out really good, which is what I read, that it takes a good while for it to like really get out of your hair. And I don't even know if I fully got it all the way out, but my scalp feels really good. My hair just feels like really clean and just kind of like refreshed. I did follow up with a conditioner. That's what I read to do, so that's why I used one of my HIIII girls. But yeah, I think I would have to like style my hair to kind of see any difference. So just applying leave-in has made my curls pop, and my hair feels very like thick. And this side of my hair is really, it's like less dense on this side, and I have a lot of frizz in this area. And this feels and looks way better than it normally would. So yeah, I definitely see the difference, and this mask is everything. Yeah, I can't wait to use it on my skin. Yeah, I definitely love it on my hair. I see a difference. And now I see why everybody uses it and why they love it. And this would definitely be a part of my natural hair regimen. And I really love how my hair feels. It's just, wow. Why did I wait so long to use this mask?
First of all, you're stupid.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one.